कर्पूर गौरम करुणावतारम संसार सारम भुजगेंद्रहारम सदा वसंतम हृदयारविंदे भवम भवानी सहितम नमामि. He is pure white like camphor, an embodiment of compassion. He is the essence of worldly existence, who wears a garland of the king of serpents. I bow to Shiva and Shakti together, and may they be present in my heart forever. Namaskar friends. Is it possible for one to entirely describe Lord Shiva? My simple understanding is that he is the one from whom the universe emerges, within whom it stays and merges back into him. Lord Shiva is cause of all causes. He is Anadi Anand, without a beginning or an end. The sacred month of Shravan is round the corner. Abhishek of Lord Shiva is performed by all devotees to please Mahadev during this month. Samudra Manthan took place during the holy month of Shravan. Devtas and Asuras churned the ocean for the nectar of immortality, Amrit. In this process, the deadly poison Halahal also emerged and threatened the complete destruction of all life. Out of his deep compassion for all life forms, Lord Shiva calmly drank the poison and held it in his throat and still remained in his Anand Swarup form. As a result, his throat turned blue, thereby him becoming the eternal Neelkant. Sanand Manand Vane Vasantam Anand Kandam Hrit Papa Vrandam Varanasi Nath Manath Natham Shri Vishwanatham Sharanam Prapadye. Parmeshwara, who resides happily in the forest of joy and is the basis of all happiness and destroyers of all sins, O Vishwanath, Lord of Varanasi, I seek refuge at your feet. This Shravan, we should also offer all our worldly burdens and sufferings at the holy feet of Ashutosh Shiv and be calm and firm irrespective of the situation, whether good or bad. If we do this, Sadashiv Mahadev will put an end to our miseries, sufferings and pains, thereby guiding us to a blissful existence and moksha. Lord Shiva embodies simplicity and innocence, making him an easy to please Bholenath. This simplicity attracts devotees who seek simple blessings or those who seek deeper spiritual understanding of Sat Chit and Anand. He is the Adi Guru and the source of all knowledge. He has bestowed mankind with music and dance as Nataraj, and he is the supreme deity of mantra and tantra. His Tandav is the dance of destruction, which destroys the old and lays the foundation of a new universe. He also performs the Lasya Nritya or dance with Adi Shakti Parvati, which sustains the creation with peace, harmony and love. The Tandav and Lasya are the universal dance of Shiva. During the holy month of Shravan, Mahadev comes down from his mystical abode of Kailasha to bless humanity, and his choicest blessings are for his devotees who wear his Rudraksha. Rudra and Aksh, which means pleasing to the eye of Shiva. Rudrakshas is believed to have its divine origin from the tears of Lord Shiva and are extremely dear to him. Now coming to the secret of finding Shiva. It is very simple. If we still our minds and hearts, then we can hear him within our heart and in the serene silence of our mind, assuring us of his presence within us. Namami Shamishan Nirvana Rupam Vibhum Vyapakam Brahma Veda Swarupam Nijam Nirgunam Nirvikalpam Niriham Chidaka Shamaka Shivasam Bhajeham. O God, you are symbol of Nirvana. Your presence is infinite. You are the essence of the Vedas. You are situated in your own undefined form. You are without an alternative, without desires, supremely conscious, and your form is of the infinite sky. I bow to you. The month of Shravan also signifies the birth of new Prakriti and new life, as monsoons during this time brings in rejuvenation and happiness all around. Shiva, in his blissful Anand Bhairav form, raises his hand and plays the damru and sings joyfully Har Har Har, which means to take away. He takes away our fears and tears, our pettiness and ego, our fancies and greed, and bestows on us the Omkar Nad, which is extremely dear to him. Om personifies Shiva himself. It is his divine speech in which resides the supreme bliss and Shiva's consciousness. Shravan is the occasion to be aware of the completeness of Mahadev and to realize him within us as the Atmalingam. Surguru Survar Pujita Lingam, Survan Pushpa Sadachita Lingam, Parat Param Paramatmaka Lingam, Tat Pranamami Sadashiva Lingam. He is worshipped by gods and their gurus. He is wearing the flowers of the divine gardens. He is the supreme Brahman who has neither a beginning nor an end. I always bow down to the Supreme Lord in the form of an immortal lingam. Shravan Mass will be celebrated this year from 25th July to 22nd August in East and North India, and from 9th August to 6th September in West and South India. As per tradition, this year too, the celebrations at Rudra Life will be as grand as ever, with 7 elaborate online Sankalp Pujas on each Shravan Somvar. This will include Mondays of both North and South Indian Shravan months. Rudra Life welcomes all devotees to join us in this joyous celebration. Each Shravan Somvar Puja will be performed to fulfill different human desires. On 16th August, especially, the auspicious Laghu Rudri Maha Anushtan will be performed to attain the ultimate blessings of Dharm, Arth, Kam and Moksha. For complete details, you can please visit our website rudralife.com. So there will be Shravan Somvar Puja for wealth and prosperity, overcoming enemies and competition, and also for spiritual growth, etc. For this, Abhishek of Mahadev will be done with different holy dravyas, like Abhishek of Lord Shiva with pomegranate juice, anar juice, will be for seeking wealth and prosperity. Abhishek with mustard oil helps in overcoming enemies and competition. One can either choose to take one Sankalp on any Shravan Somvar of your choice, or can also book for the entire Shravan month and seek complete blessings of Ashutosh Mahadev. Shravan Mass is one of the most auspicious time to wear Rudrakshas too. You can consult our panel experts at Rudra Life to find out the right combination to wear for growth, progress and success. Also, this is a very auspicious period for enhancing, upgrading your existing combination to reach new heights. People also gift and donate Rudraksh during this holy month. It's considered to be auspicious. One can gift the Swasth Bandh to the elders in the family for good health. Saraswati Bandh can be given to students. Rudraksh Japmalas can be gifted, distributed to one and all. Information about many other combinations for success in different spheres of life are also available on our website. Do visit to know about and acquire them online. I wish Lord Shiva grants all your wishes and help you all reach new heights of success. We at Rudra Life wish you good health, peace and prosperity. Har Har Mahadev. Om Namah Shivaya.